Hi, I'm Irina from Axela, and today I have a different story about new concept in students' education. CIVIS project is implemented by 10 universities, which created one European civic university with multiple fields of study. And new concepts need new approach. In most cases, this is really challenging for teachers, and I remember from my studies how the theoretical classes were always starting with old technologies, old techniques as fundamental base for what's new. How about our students today? They are able to find all necessary information by simple web search. How difficult it is to answer to their question or cover their needs in comparison to difficulty of changing teaching style? Spectral flow cytometry is new concept for a lot of people, but for CIVIS students, there weren't barriers. Assimilation of the novel knowledge about conventional spectral flow cytometry came in a natural way for them. And a lot of connections were done with other technologies using spectral unmixing, fluorochromes, other physical principles. Cytek Aurora is a great instrument, robust enough to be used in education field. We ran 16 colors panel, and experiment setup was done by students guided by Ricardo. Analysis and all software features were explained in separated session by Marta, and we could see on hands-on session how easy it was for students to do all the steps. My personal conclusion is the innovation is stimulating the students to be more involved, to love and recommend universities. Don't hesitate to invest in new technologies because return of investment is in a short time and the satisfaction comes immediately. In Axela, we count only on innovation.